Okay, so you walk in on Tuesday and you have this beautiful new board that you have not started playing with. That's okay. The one thing that people may end up wanting to do, and this is all I'm really going to show, is if they want to hook up their laptop so that you can maybe show a couple of pictures or something like that, or maybe there's some quick video that you want to show the students on the first day of school. So you do not need a remote control. You're just going to come right over here. You are going to click on the on button right there, and it may take a second, but this is the screen that will end up coming up. So on the side here, this one is hooked into the HDMI 2. It could be hooked into the HDMI 1, totally fine, but it could be either one. And then this touch is also hooked in. So those are the two that you are going to care about. Something else may be hooked in as well, but you don't need that right now. So these two will actually go right into the side of your laptop. If you want them on the same side, they'll just go right in on the left-hand side. The one thing I will tell you is this bigger one, you need to make sure is pushed in all the way. Otherwise, it will not hook in and you will not be able to connect your laptop. So all you're gonna do here is just connect with the input on here. When you click on that, this box comes up. And so I know that it was under HDMI 2, and so I'm gonna click on H come up. And so right now it's saying no signal because I do not have a laptop connected. Okay, so you really just wanna make sure that you just play around with this and just hit different things and see what happens. So right now I am just in the Android mode. And so you can click on browser, for example, and that just takes me to a Google search. The only other thing I wanted to talk about was this sidebar right here. And so this arrow will take you back to where you were before. So it goes back to the Google page that I was on before. There's the home button there, or you can select the home button from the bottom of your screen. So that just took me right back here. This is nice. This is the task menu, and so it kind of gives me a little PowerPoint version, and so I can select different pages that I was on there. This is notes, and so you can play around with notes. You can change the background color, so you can click around over here. It says background, and I can change it to gold, and then I can just start writing different things. So just, again, playing around with that. And then I'm gonna go back home here. And so now I'm on the home screen. And let's say that I wanted to lock my screen. This is one way to lock your screen. You can click on this pen right here. And so it's annotations. And so then I can kind of write different things on and annotate, but it also freezes the screen. So now my screen is frozen. Another way that you can freeze your screen, so I'm gonna X that out here, is you can click right down here on that little dial, and it says screen lock right here. And so if you click on screen lock, it will tell you there's no password set. Would you like to set one? And so you can set a password and you can lock the screen. The other thing that you can do, I know if you're working on attendance or something like that and your laptop is hooked up, is you can simply just hit the off button. And so everything's off now, and then it's pretty quick. It comes right back on, and it's back on the screen that you were on prior. So there are a whole bunch of different options here for you. So if you hit the back arrow, it'll ask you also, if I hit it twice, do you want to save? So I don't care to save that. And so a whole bunch of different things on the toolbar right here. I like this. There is a countdown, for example, and so there's my countdown. You can set that. You can, let's come back to the little toolbox here again. You can use a stopwatch. So there's my stopwatch. So you can put that on. This is air class. I'm not sure how that's going to function yet. And spotlight, it gives me a little bit of a spotlight there. So hopefully this was helpful to you, and good luck on your first day. And please let me know if there's anything that I can help you out with.